Hey guys, I hope you are ready for some great tips tonight. I'm sure you want to get paid in your business, and we are going to talk about how to get paid in your affiliate marketing business tonight, along with, I think, 7 tips for what you look for in a good affiliate marketing opportunity. And so let's get started. And before we do, I'll just briefly say that my name is Dana, and David and I, my husband David and I, we are co-founders of AskDavidnDana.com. You're seeing a picture of our blog here on the screen, as well as one of our affiliate marketing articles that we wrote some time ago. We empower, like it says, the home business professional with breakthrough strategies to boost your home business success. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, we're delighted that you stopped by, and we've got a whole affiliate marketing series that we're working on, and this is video number 6. So if you haven't figured out what affiliate marketing is, who your niche is, what affiliate networks are, and how to find affiliate opportunities with companies and brands that you love, you probably should jump back, pause this video, and watch the other videos before this in the playlist to get an idea about what affiliate marketing is and if it's a good fit for your business model. Let's figure out, how do you get paid in affiliate marketing? You know that when you have a storefront or you have a physical product and somebody wants that physical product, they either give you cash, a check, or even a credit card, and you give them the product. It's a transaction that happens right there in front of you. But an affiliate company is going to kind of happen behind the scenes. And so there are some things that you want to be aware of when you're looking for your affiliate marketing opportunity. And of course, one of the most important things is getting paid. So there are a couple different ways you can get paid. Some affiliate opportunities are by the sale. So that means that the product itself would have to sell before you would get paid. And then there are other affiliate opportunities that's a pay per action. You would be paid on any time that an action was performed that your affiliate sponsor had required. So let's look a little bit at this per sale. The company will provide you with a link and a website, and let's say then a visitor goes to that link. They'll go to a website or a capture page or something that is coded to you. And a pay per sale will only pay you a commission if that person that clicks the link makes a purchase. And then you get a commission. One thing you want to make sure you always know is what the commission plan is. Is it going to be on a percent? Is it a one-time thing? Is there a return policy or a guarantee? Those are all things that you should be aware of when you pick your affiliate program. Okay, so the other type I talked about was the being paid per action. A similar thing is going to happen. The company will provide you with a link and or a website, but in this case, a sale or purchase is not required. Your job then is to send visitors to that link. And that is exactly what your affiliate agreement is all about. Your job was to get a visitor to come to the site. Maybe the visitor will then click a link. Maybe that visitor will fill out some sort of a form, a registration, a survey. Chances are that your affiliate program wants that email from that person, and that is simply what your job was, to get them a lead, not necessarily a sale. There again, you should be very clear on what your commission level is just to get that traffic to that website. Okay, well, those are 2 ways that I am aware of that on how you can get paid. Sometimes, again, it is a recurring payment, and those are good to have, because who doesn't like a little passive residual income coming in? And others are, of course, just the one-time purchase, one-time commission. So get on a piece of paper if you haven't already gotten one out, because there are a few more things, a checklist per se, of things you want to look for when you're picking the perfect affiliate for you, so that you're pretty clear on what the terms and conditions are of this arrangement. Number one, of course, we've already talked about. That's how you get paid. What's the percentage of your commissions? Is it recurring or one time only? And another side note on this whole getting paid thing. Some people have said to me, well, why are they asking me for my social security number? Or why do I have to fill out a W-9 form? Well, that's very standard. Think of when you are employed by an employer. You fill out a W-2 or a W-4, and that is so they know how to pay you. Okay, so number one was how do you get paid? Number two, what is the affiliate cookie lifespan? Now, we all know that cookies are a way that you can monitor visitors on a website. If you visit a website, a little cookie is put on your computer and it tracks your activity. Well, that website knows that you were there. And so as an affiliate marketer, having a long cookie lifespan is good. And if you're putting out affiliate products for people to be affiliates for, you're probably hoping that a shorter cookie lifespan is what's in place, because then you get all of the commissions for people that come based on someone else's traffic. So let's think through a scenario on what I mean by a cookie lifespan. So you have brought somebody to a website. That website knows that you did it. If your cookie lifespan is 30 days, that person that came to the website has 30 days to make a purchase that you'll get paid for. If they come on day 31, 32, or after, you won't see a commission on that person, even though you're the one that invited them to look at that website first. So that's why it benefits you to have a longer lifespan of a cookie. And some offers have lifetime cookies. I have an opportunity that I'm part of, and I absolutely love that about it. Okay, that's number one and number two. Number three, do you have attractive materials to use? A lot of affiliates will give you the sales page. They will give you, of course, a link that cookies people to you and a landing page. But a lot of times those landing pages are just sort of, You want to be looking at the materials that you're sending people to. Are they attractive? Do they have the right information that you think that your people are going to be looking for? How would you react if you went and landed on that page? Would you be tempted to buy? Number four, how transparent is the publisher or the creator of this product? Are they easy to contact? Do they have customer service? How does all of that work? Because the beauty of having an affiliate opportunity is all that work's done for you. You don't have to be the expert. You don't have to be the customer service representative. There is a team of people, or even just the creator himself, that will take care of all that for you. Your job is to drive the traffic. But you want to know exactly who you're working with. Are they reputable? Check the reviews by other people that are working with them. Are there testimonials? What sort of proof is there about the kind of people that are producing these products? Because after all, you are going to be sending people. Your reputation is also on the line here. Number five, what sort of a dashboard or mode of delivery do they have for giving you your stats, letting you know how many people that you've sent or what your commission statuses are? What sort of platform are they using? Is it easy to work with? Number six, does this opportunity offer any training at all to the affiliate partners? Sometimes that can be helpful, especially when you're first getting started, that you find some affiliates that actually offer training to help you maximize what you're doing to help them. And last, we have number seven, it's brand recognition. That means if you are putting something out there as an affiliate product, is it something that people are looking for? Or is it something so obscure and unknown that it's going to be more time and effort for you to try to drive traffic to it than it's worth? So make sure that it's something that people are looking for, that people are dying to have, that's going to solve a problem for them. And if the brand recognition is good, if it's something that, especially if you are using an affiliate from Amazon or Target or Walmart, that's where this whole brand identity can really come into play. Okay, that's the 7 that I have for you, but I do have a few more things you might want to keep in the back of your mind, because there are different things going on in the affiliate world these days. I have said in other videos that to become an affiliate for a company is free, or is generally free. But there are situations where you will need to pay to have the access rights to be an affiliate. And so you want to make sure at all times that what you're getting into, are there any fees? And the other thing to be watching for, are there any binding agreements? Are there any promises that you are needing to make to the developer or to the creator that are a little different than the norm? So just be watching the fine print. Be careful. This is your business and you want to reflect well on you. I hope you found these tips helpful. I thought maybe I would even put them into a little checklist form to be able to make available for you, but at the time of the publishing, I don't have that right yet. But do check down in the description of this video if you are watching it at a later date. I may have gotten that done, and you'll see a beautiful link there for you. So when you look down in those show notes, if that link to the checklist isn't there, I will have something special for you so that you can dive in a little bit deeper, find out a little bit more about what affiliate marketing is and how it might fit into your business model. And until next time, be well.